Yo, what's up, YouTube fam? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. And today I have a simple question for you, and that is basically, are you searching around on the internet trying to figure out what you can do to start making money? Do you want to make some serious money? Do you want to stop farting around with all these different little gimmicks where you're getting paid $2 here, $2 there, all these different survey websites? Do you want a real business that you can start on the internet where you can actually scale it and actually start making thousands, hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of dollars? I'm talking about life-changing results, you guys, where you quit your 9 to 5, have a life of freedom, work from anywhere in the world. If this sounds appealing to you and you want to learn how to do this, then stick with me because I'm going to be sharing with you today the top 5 reasons why I believe affiliate marketing is the best business to start in 2019, 2020, 2021. Until I find something better, I'm going to share with you today why I believe affiliate marketing can change your life and why you need to get started immediately. Alright, you guys, real quickly here before we get too deep into this video, if you are brand new or if you've been here before and you are not yet subscribed, make sure that you click this bright red subscribe box right here. Make sure that you hit this bell notification, select all. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new videos, because I'm coming out with videos every single week teaching you tons of different great methods of how you can start generating an income online today. And then last but not least, you guys, if you find any valuable content at any time during this video, make sure that you smash that thumbs up. It helps to get my content out to as many people as possible. It helps to grow my channel, and I am extremely grateful for every single like that I get. And don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online. This is what we're going to be talking about today, but you can find that right up here where it says passive income, right where it goes down to where it says learn how to make money online. Make sure that you check that out, you guys. You are absolutely going to love that. I have had insane results. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Alright, you guys, I'm willing to bet that you've been searching around all over the internet of different methods of how you can start generating an income online, and I'm sure maybe you've yielded some results, but nothing has been life-changing where you could actually support yourself or your family or quit your job, stuff like that, you guys. I'm going to show you today what the #1 way I recommend making money online, and I'm going to convince you exactly why, and I'm going to share with you the top 5 reasons why I believe this is the best way to start generating an income online. I wish I had started doing this so long ago, you guys. I actually messed around with this, 10 years ago, but I got started and I never stayed consistent, and I never actually yielded the results that I was after, but that's because I didn't know what I was doing. And I'm going to show you how you can find out exactly what you need to know so that you can save yourself all that trouble and actually start creating some serious results. So let's get into this. All right, you guys, so it is not a secret. The #1 way that I feel that you should be making money online is through affiliate marketing, and that is because it is so powerful, and honestly, it's just the easiest vehicle to get started, start generating money, and it just has all kinds of great ingredients that are so key for people that are beginners, that are trying to get started making money online. And anybody can do this, you guys. Anybody in the world can do this. This is worldwide. Everyone's always asking me, well, what can I do that is worldwide to start making money online? That is affiliate marketing. The biggest problem with affiliate marketing, though, is people are not staying consistent when they get started. There's a thing called delayed gratification, and that is basically you get started and you don't get immediate results, so people think that it doesn't work and they think it's a scam, and it is not that at all. It just takes a little bit of time to build up enough momentum to start seeing the results that you're after. So let's check out the top 5 reasons of why I believe affiliate marketing is where it's at and why you need to be doing this. All right, so counting down from #5, starting at, you do not have to have your own product or service that you're selling. I want you to imagine for a minute here that you're starting an online business and all the things that you would have to have, right? You'd have to have a website, you'd have to have your own products, you'd have to have some type of service maybe that you're selling, whatever it is, right? So with affiliate marketing, what's really cool is you don't have to have your own product or service. You're literally directing targeted customers to other people's products and services. You're just a middle person, and every single time a sale is made, you're getting paid. So what's really cool about affiliate marketing is you can spend 100% of your time and effort focusing on just finding targeted traffic and directing them to the product that they're already after anyway. So you're not trying to convince people to buy anything. You're trying to just show people the product that they would already buy anyways. I absolutely love this model. It is awesome. I want to just take a moment to really drive this home and just give you an analogy of exactly what's happening here. I want you to imagine that you're outside your house or your apartment or wherever it is that you live, and maybe you're watering the grass, washing your car, whatever it is, right? And somebody pulls up in a car and they basically tell you, hey, I'm trying to find your local Best Buy. I'm from out of town and I don't know where it's at. I'm trying to purchase a TV. Could you show me where that Best Buy is at? And you being a local, basically just tell them, hey, make a left and a right, get back on the freeway, go a couple miles and get off on Balboa, whatever, right? And you tell them where that Best Buy is at. And that person, being a warm customer that already had intent to purchase that TV anyways, goes and purchases a TV at Best Buy. Now, in that scenario, is Best Buy going to pay you anything? No, they're not. They're not going to pay you anything in that scenario. But this is exactly what is happening on the internet, you guys. You are just simply a middle person taking targeted traffic and directing them to products and services that they would buy anyways, and you are getting paid. How would you like to get paid for that person that just bought, a $2,000, $5,000 TV and make maybe 5 to 10%, or maybe even more? Some of these affiliate offers, you guys, people are making like 50% commission on the stuff that people are going to buy anyways. So that's pretty cool, right? And what's really cool is it gets even better than this, right? When you're doing this and you build up enough real estate on the internet, I'm talking about content out there telling people this is where the products and stuff are that you want. It's out there constantly working for you. This is where you get passive income because this content is out on the internet. People are finding it and they're going and doing this. You don't have to do the same thing every single day because the stuff that you've already made and created is out there working for you. People are finding it saying, hey, this is where it's at. This is where it's at. Thousands and thousands of people. And this is the power of affiliate marketing and why people are getting so rich with affiliate marketing, you guys. Literally, there's been people, one of the individuals that I'm following that within the last 2 years has made over $1 million in affiliate marketing. Some of them are doing even better than that. All right, you guys. So top reason number 4 of why affiliate marketing is so powerful and is the best online business is that there is absolutely no customer service required. As an affiliate marketer, you're selling other people's products and services, right? So if there's anything wrong and the product doesn't perform the way that it's expected to, or something goes wrong or breaks or whatever, right? They go back to the actual company that's actually selling that product or service and return it or ask their questions to them. They don't come to you. That is huge, you guys. That is so much less overhead. Absolutely love this concept about affiliate marketing because it keeps you free to focus on doing what is most important to you, and that is driving traffic every single day, targeted warm traffic to the products that they're going to buy anyways. It takes out all this cluster and confusion about all these different things that you would have to be worried about if you had your own, business that you're actually running. As an affiliate marketer, all you're focusing on is driving traffic, and that frees you up so that you can actually multiply your efforts and grow your business so much faster. And that's why you see people becoming millionaires in 2 years. So still counting down, reason number 3 now is going to be flexibility. And I just love this about affiliate marketing. You get to work when you want, right? You can work absolutely whenever it is that you have time. You are your own boss. You're running your business. You decide when you're going to work. That can be a little bit of a downfall because you have to stay consistent, right? But it's awesome because now you can free up your time to run your business when you want, whether it's 1 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, whether you're running it at 12 noon, or whether it's 9 o'clock at night. Does not matter. You do that when you want. If you want to take a week off, if you want to take a month off, if you want to take multiple months off, at first you can't do this, right? Because it's super important that you get as much content out there as possible to actually get your business running. But when you actually get this business running and established, you can take an entire month off and nobody's going to care. You don't have to ask anybody if you can take time off, and you are still going to make passive income over and over and over again. Another really cool point about affiliate marketing too is when you're getting started as a beginner, it's really important that you get involved in a business that's very flexible, right? Because you're very time strapped. If you're working from 9 to 5 every day and then you come home and you have a bunch of kids or whatever it is that takes up your time, it's really hard to focus your attention on doing anything else. But with affiliate marketing, you can schedule this and set the time up when you have time, right? So if it's 9 o'clock every night when everybody's in bed and stuff, this is where you can actually focus your time and energy so that you can actually break free and get your business going, right? A lot of businesses, you can't do that. With affiliate marketing, you can. Absolutely love the flexibility with affiliate marketing. It helps people break free from what they're stuck in. It's a way out. It's an option, you guys. All right, you guys, reason number 2, still counting down here, and make sure that you stick with me because I'm going to have some bonus content for you at the very end of this video that is going to be extremely powerful for you as well. You do not want to miss that. Now, reason number 2 is you can work literally from anywhere in the world, you guys. So anybody literally in the world can get in on affiliate marketing as long as they have an internet connection, a laptop, and and like a cell phone. That is huge. I want you to think and imagine just for a minute here, a lot of people when they go on vacation and stuff, their business is shut down, right? They can't work. As an affiliate marketer, you could go on vacation, check in on your business once or twice a day, keep it running, and do this practically from anywhere in the world. Affiliate marketing literally opens the door to so much freedom, and it's set up for anybody to practically get started. It's a no-brainer that people are not doing this. It absolutely blows my mind. And I think it's just because people just don't know. I didn't know, I get it, but now you do know, so do something about it. I just love this concept about affiliate marketing. I really want to make sure I drive that home to you. All right, you guys, and the number 1 reason why I love affiliate marketing, coupled with the other 4 that we've been discussing thus far, is you can get started 100% for free. A lot of people are always complaining about, I don't have any money, right? Well, you can get started in affiliate marketing 100% for free as long as you have like a desktop or laptop computer and like a smartphone, just like I said. You can start doing this practically from anywhere in the world for free. I have a video, I'll try to remember to leave a link to it in the description that discusses how you can get started with like ClickBank, and you can go out there and take other people's affiliate offers and go out there and get them on the internet, and this is 100% free to do. It's actually one of the recent videos that I've made. But if you're willing to invest a little bit in yourself and your business, you can make this happen much quicker, right? Because if you don't have a little bit of money to invest in yourself, then you have to spend a little bit more time figuring things out, and it just takes a little bit longer. But it is so possible, and you can get started for free. That opens the door to anybody, you guys. Free, worldwide, flexible. I mean, come on. Affiliate marketing is where it's at. All right, you guys, since you stuck with me to the very end of this video, I'm going to share with you some bonus content as well. And these are some points that I really want to drive home that are super important, that literally are mind-blowing to me, and why I think people should be involved in affiliate marketing if they're trying to learn how to make money online and they want to change their lives and they want freedom. Okay, so the next reason is that affiliate marketing is scalable, and you have the potential to earn hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars on the internet starting your own business, you guys. You can scale this, but what I mean by that is you're reaching such a large audience and your business continues to grow, and the more content that you put out there on the internet that people are finding. I want you to imagine for a second all the content and stuff that you would be putting out on the internet. Those are like little pieces of real estate, and when your real estate continues to grow and all of those little links that you're posting out there with your affiliate offer on there, every time someone clicks those and makes a purchase, you're going to get paid, right? So I want you to imagine that at first, right, it's just like a small snowball, but this snowballs and gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and it continues to pay you passive income. This is how people make money while they're sleeping, while they're on vacation, while they're doing things that they really enjoy, hanging out with their kids, right? This is where it's at, you guys. All right, you guys, and the last piece of bonus content I have here for you is that you are leveraging the internet, the power of the internet as being an affiliate marketer. And when you couple all these reasons together with this, you get something that generates, it's just a cash machine that literally can set you free. So what I mean by this is I want you to imagine real quickly, not necessarily imagine, but just take a look around, right? All these, brick and mortar stores that are closing up, right? You even see like Walmart and Best Buy and stuff like that changing their business models so that they can get online, so they can compete with like Amazon and stuff like that. Everything is going online. If businesses are going to exist in the future and they're going to compete, they have to have a big online presence that is successful. Otherwise, they're just going to close up, you guys. Just take a look around. Take a walk through your mall and look at all the businesses that are closing constantly because they can't compete with, with like Amazon and stuff like that. You want to be online if you're going to start a business. I mean, if you really want to make a ton of money, your business needs to be online, and affiliate marketing incorporates that. Alrighty, you guys, that is all I have for you today. If what we discussed today made sense to you and you want a life of freedom where you can change your life, work from anywhere in the world, if you need flexibility, if you're trying to break free from the current situation that you're in, this is where you want to start. Check out my #1 recommendation to make money online. I've left that right here directly beneath this video in the description. It says my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online, chadbennettlive.com. Make sure that you check that out, you guys. I got started here 5 months ago, and like I said, I have spent so much time bouncing all over the internet, trying to find different ways to make money online, even things outside of the internet. I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars trying to find solutions to this and banged my head against the wall so many times with so much frustration. Right here is straight to it. It works. It's a roadmap. It's an exact blueprint of how you can start generating some serious income online. Don't want to try to oversell that, but I just want to save you a bunch of time. That is where it is at. That's all I have for you today. If you found any valuable content at all in this video, make sure that you smash that thumbs up. Super, super important. It helps to grow this channel, helps to get this information out to as many people as possible. That is very, very important. I am super, super grateful. Also, don't forget to make sure that you comment. Let me know, some different things that you've done online to try to generate some income and how I can help you. I would greatly appreciate that as well. And make sure that you are subscribed if you have not already done so. Click that bright red subscribe box, click the bell, click that all button right there. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content. So like I said, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.